So the food, the drugs, the alcohol, the bacteria, anything that ends up in our system, the first place it's going to go from that exchange surface of the small intestine is the liver. So this is, again, why it's so important. So first place that the blood goes from the gut, and much of this immune activity occurs in these specialized capillaries of the liver, and they mix with the blood from the hepatic portal vein with the hepatic artery. What's going to happen is the blood is going to flow past these specialized cells that you can see over here. So these Kupffer cells, and we've got something called the hepatic arteriole here. And this is the bit larger than a capillary. So it's a slightly bigger blood vessel than we've got over here. And we've got these specialized macrophages right here mixing with the blood. You can see the structure of the macrophages where they've got that sort of pseudopods, we called them last week. You can see them clearer here, but they can go out and engulf these pathogens. So these cells are long-lived, so they hang around for a long time, which is relatively unusual for the blood cells. We're usually replacing them at quite a high rate. So they're adhering to the endothelial walls, so they're actually attached, which is also unusual for blood and immune cells. They tend to be circulating, and this allows them to filter the blood as it actually goes through. So they're kept in situ, in place, in the liver. They're attached rather than just traveling around as the blood moves around the body. So they engulf and destroy any bacteria, any parasites, and any other microorganisms that we're getting straight from the hepatic portal vein. They will also take away any aged or damaged red blood cells and cellular debris. So this is quite an important function of the liver as well, to get rid of the red blood cells. Red blood cells don't live very long or circulate for very long. They've got a very short life. So they need to, there's a really high turnover of these cells. So they need to be removed really regularly.